The following can be categorized as Grotian movements under international law. First, in the Nuremberg trial, emergence of joint criminal enterprise, whereby individuals were held criminally responsible for the act committed by the group. Second, Truman Proclamation, where United States of America extended its sovereignty beyond 12 nautical miles up to 200 nautical miles for commercial purposes. Now, this also led to the development of the concept of EEZ, and it was accepted by all other countries considering the commercial benefits. Third, the development of outer space law. Now, this developed initially as a customary international law, later as a treaty law, whereby all the countries agreed for peaceful use of outer space. Fourth, the concept where individual can be held criminally responsible for internal armed conflict. That is, individual under international law can be held criminally responsible for internal armed conflict. This was initially recognized by the Yugoslavia Tribunal, followed by the Rwanda Tribunal, as the Rwanda Tribunal also accepted it as a customary international law. And this almost acted as a precedent and was later recognized even by the International Criminal Court. Fourth, right to use self-defense against a non-state actor in a country with which one is not at war with. Now, this customary international law developed after the emergence of ISIS. Now, initially, Russia was not in favor of this particular CIL, but after ISIS bombed Russian airplane and after the bombings in Paris, all countries came together and accepted this as a customary international law, according to which a country has a right to use self-defense against non-state actor in a country with which one is not at war with. And lastly, responsibility to protect doctrine, or R2P. Now, under this principle, it is believed that the international community has a responsibility to protect the population of a country whereby the population is vulnerable or where the population is under some threat. So these can be considered as Grotian movements under international law, whereby customary international law developed much more rapidly because of these incidents as compared to normal development of customary international law.